How you doing, guys? Chris at Dentless Touch. Today we have a Tesla Model 3. It's actually like a third or fourth one we worked on. Normally they get the dents in the doors. This time it's in both quarter panels. I don't know exactly what happened, but you know, the quarter panels, it's an all aluminum car, and the quarter panels is really like a glue pull only type thing. We don't want to have to power this down or anything like that. So let's get started with the repair. So we'll talk a little bit about the challenging things. The dent itself is not that complicated. It's a pretty straightforward repair. The fact that we can't get behind it and push it out like we normally do, that creates a little bit of difficulties. So we're actually going to use the glue pulling method. It is aluminum, so that adds a little bit of challenges too. But I have Dave on one side and me on the other side, and we're going to try to get through this repair relatively quickly.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Let's take one thing clear.
For the record.
Get this one thing. Get this one thing
For the record. For the record.
Get this one thing. Let's take one thing clear.
For the record.
Get this one thing. Get this one thing
So like always, I go over the tools that we use. It's really simple this time around. We have the new glue gun that we actually gave away last week, but from Sure Bonder, we've been trying it out. Has the adapter attached to it. Makita is what we run with in the entire company. Green glue, it's actually been doing very well this year. I don't know if it's a new mixture, but normally when it gets about 95 degrees or the panel's hot, we can't use the green glue. We switch to the red. So for the entire year so far, we've been using cactus green glue to do our PDR repairs with glue. So the tabs of choice so far has been the gangrene, the little crease tab that they have, the real small one. And again, these dead center Kiko tabs. Very good tab to use. So those are pretty much the tools on top of the mini lifter that we have right here and my old trusty slide hammer. That's what we were using to pull. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.